The narrative in our history books, in our school books, is to say that we are extinct, we don't exist anymore. That makes us invisible. And that is why they had to reclassify us as indigenous people to the term colored. And you look at discussions around land and land ownership and land distribution. There's two groups of people that talks about land ownership, land distribution, and it happens in the absence of the indigenous people who are the real owners of the land. If you look on the news, you see people classified as so-called colored, the gang violence, all the social ills that's happening. It's concentrated amongst our people. I always say that people who are not employed, people who are not educated, people who don't have a chance to better their life will end up in the criminal justice system.